Finally guys, this is a video which you have been searching all over the YouTube as well as on internet, that how to edit your photos like Toni Mahfud. If you don't know Toni Mahfud, then just search on Instagram. He is really a social media influencer as well as the model, and the creative photos he uses in his profile of Instagram, and we really do respect his color effect and the photos. Hi, this is Ashish from ashvircreations and filterpreset.com. Well guys, today in this video I'm gonna give you Toni Mahfud inspired preset which I personally handcrafted for you guys in the form of mobile Lightroom, PC Lightroom, camera preset. So basically by using this preset you can just color grade your photos to kind of gold skin tone as well as desaturated blue tone in your photos to stand out your profile feed on Instagram. Before any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome, and also just follow all the links down given in the description as well as on all the social media as well as on YouTube, as well as check out our website, that is filterpreset.com as well as ashvircreations.com. Toni Mahfud inspired preset, and just to your mobile phone and just click on the plus icon on the bottom screen, click on the three dots, unselect the JPG and only select the raw file. Raw file are the preset file which are present in your computer or the mobile gallery. Just select, here is the preset file, that is Toni Mahfud inspired. Now click on the add button. It will be added to your all photos gallery. Here it will be added to your imported to your Lightroom gallery. Click on the three dots on the right screen and select the copy settings and hit OK, and now go back and let's apply the preset to your photos and let's see how it actually looks. So let's take some example images. Suppose let's take this photo. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and you can see the difference guys. It is really looking very amazing guys. This is pretty much close to Toni Mahfud tone. Now click on the three dots and select the paste setting. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. It is really looking very similar and perfect, just like Toni Mahfud. Let's take some more example photos. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings, and you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. So guys, now let's jump to the computer screen and apply the same preset by using the camera preset as well as PC Lightroom preset to your Photoshop and Lightroom. Let's jump to the computer screen